I want to go ahead and make a quick video about the Apple iWatch. I think this is iOS 10, and the issue was beforehand you would be able to enter water mode just by swiping up like this, and then you would have the settings menu here and you would be able to go into water mode. But now you don't have that. You just have the, well, it's like weather, this is news, and then you can choose all apps here. So instead what you do now is there's a side button here. You press this side button and now you can access that menu again, where beforehand you had to swipe up. Now you have to press this side button here. So you scroll down, there's the water mode again. You wait a few seconds, it goes into water mode, of course, and you can go ahead and shower, swim, go to the beach, whatever you need to do. And then again, to exit, it's the same. You just hold down this button and it'll eject the water now. So again, side button, scroll down, water icon, you're in water mode now, and this is the new update with iOS 10 on the Apple Watch. Instead of swiping up, you have to press that side button. So I hope this helped, guys, and go ahead and check out this next video, and have a great day.